What's up, YouTube? I just wanted to make a quick video on how to remove your seats. Because a lot of people have been asking if it's actually hard, but it's really not. This is just gonna be like a 2-3 minute video explaining how to just remove the whole seat, and it's really simple. It's just 4 bolts. These right here, they are 14s. You're just gonna turn them to the left. They're connected to the body of your car. So there's these 2 in the front, and there's gonna be another one right there, and then another one right there. After you remove those, you're gonna pull. What I found was easier was to just pull your seat back, and then there's gonna be some what are they called, just plugs. They're gonna be connected to some wires and then to your seat. This one had 2, but they should be down there somewhere. They're really not that hard to take off, and that's really it. They're really simple, really straightforward. And yeah, I'll be painting those black. That looks really ugly. Yeah, that should be it. Hope this helps someone, and if it does help, consider subscribing.